Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a wonderful day, night, afternoon, morning, no matter where you are in the world. My name is Brian and today we're going to explore together the Now Money journey. Okay, so let's explore together the journey of Now Money adventure in business and how you can apply it and what's it mean to you. Let's discover together Fusion Smart System. Why is Now Money important to you? Astonishing, it allows you to focus on the remarkable opportunities and passions you have discovered already. It allows you to effectively compound on your make money time, and it also freestyles you up to authentically create and manage successful and sustainable lifestyle transformation from those immediate distractions. And you all know what I mean, right? Simply put, it urgently and powerfully puts you in the captain pilot seat. It allows you to be the king or queen of your distraction-free money results now castle. How does Now Money work? Let's look at it, guys. It allows you to create Now Money Fusion Smart cash flow systems. It allows you to compound and leverage through Fusion Smart marketing and network collaborations. Affordable, it simply transforms the power of proven lead generation into your open hand to reveal astonishing opportunity for you and your tribe. And over here, guys, you can see the lead generation methods that some of the methods here, and you can see the Now Money Fusion Smart lead generation system over here, guys, and the general lead generation system that could be out there. Generally speaking, generic type of system will be a question mark around whether they offer you support and training and guidance to create free YouTube leads. Over here at Now Money, you will get 100% be able to get the full training and support around that. With customization, it's 100%, as you can see. It's always a 50-50 with a lot of generic systems, whether you can truly customize to how you want it to be. Facebook targeting is 100%. You get the support, you get the training, you get experience, you get guidance, you get everything, guys. Over here, it's a question mark. Of course, some systems may have some sort of support. It could be brief support, maybe just email. So it's a very question mark over a generic system. Lead magnet attraction lead magnet is 100% unique to you and what you're building. Over here at the general lead generation systems, it's a 50% possibility that they would have some sort of training to be able to apply lead magnet attraction marketing. Over here, guys, we have market funnel email series 100% that can be supported and supplied with the resources and guidance. Sorry, I'll just move myself out of the way. It's a question mark with the generic lead generation systems out there, whether they would support with you with training and guidance and resources with market funnel email series of ongoing messages that lead in to cash flow. And the personal support, 100%. We have team support. You have wonderful years, over 20, 30 years of experience in within this industry at your fingertips. Over here, the general lead generation type system, it's a big question mark around the experience and the type of support. So that's it, guys. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight. Let's go ahead to the next slide. Sorry, I just moved myself out of the way there a little bit so you can see everything up close and carefully and without distraction. How does Now Money help you build a lead list? Astonishing, cutting-edge tools. Effective, proven transformational training, create sustainable lead generation through cash flow with online affiliate marketing and content creation through, like example, YouTube videos, as we just shared on the previous slide. And here, remarkable, proven, authentic support for getting clear and focused action. And over here we got I've created a nice 3 simple steps. First, deliver value. Learn how to deliver platinum value. Get connected with your super gold nuggets from within you. Everyone has secret gold nuggets based on their life experience, talents and passions and skills that you have available. It's just a matter of tapping into that and turn on the thunderstorm value for your list. And once you bring on that thunderstorm, you could imagine. Step 2, grow relationships, build authentic story with your list to turn on the attraction superpowers. Learn how to attract your list like a magnet on steroids. And step 3, Money Now Fusion Cash Flow. Offer affiliate offer solutions to their pain points and what they require. Offer services that deliver proven transformation. That's just a simple explanation, simple showing you and directing you. How Now Money grows your struggling home-based business. That's a question mark a question that I get from many people. It allows you to freestyle your time to focus long-term on growing your home-based business through cash flow and compounding your time, focus, and points. It allows you to automate and leverage through collaborations. And 3, remarkably, it gives you more time freedom to build your main home-based business. Even if you are working long hours, full-time, or shift work hours, 24/7 rotation shift, many people are doing, it allows you to free you up from that little by little steps at a time. How does Now Money help you if you enjoy jumping from program to program? I've had this question thrown at me, and I know, look, some people are into different programs, and I think it's quite pliable. If that's what you are curious about, that's fantastic. Number one, it gives you flexibility to program, experiment. So basically that allows you to get in there and have a play with the tools, have a play with the resources, and see if it's a good fit for your team and whether you are able to support them without you being distracted from your job or occupation or your other duties. And when you have mastered the art of attraction list building. 2, now money cash flow allows you to explore programs like a Curious King of the Jungle Cat all you want. With ultra responsive growing lists of buyers, you will allow you to effortlessly test what programs you can create greater leverage from. And number 4, learn how you can apply wealth mindful principles and compounding when you are choosing program selection to join and grow a super big team from. So these are some very gold principles here and nuggets that if you are a programmer, a program hopper, and that's what you like to do, Now Money helps you to build solid foundations around discovering and selecting those programs that you can then support your team and guide them and direct them. How does Now Money successfully support growing your network marketing business? This is a big one that I hear from a lot of people. It allows you to effectively focus on your network marketing business without the time-wasting distractions that come from working more jobs or more hours in your job. It allows you to apply proven cash flow and attraction marketing principles, giving you access to leverage wealth and list building principles for Now Money to become a Fusion Smart Cash Flow Network Marketing Master. So now, guys, I leave it with you. You have the guidance and direction. So let's connect right now with me to execute the Now Money Cash Flow Fusion Smarts and kick that into top gear right now by escaping the lack rat race and learn more with me, guiding and directing you step by step. And connect below. You can see the link right now, fusionsmartsystem.com. Look forward to connecting you. Look forward to supporting you with Now Money. Bye for now. Have a great, wonderful day, afternoon, night, morning, whatever time it is in your part of the world. Talk soon.